of a deadly fate. Give up your children, separate. Bide your time, lie in wait. Sonic Underground, Sonic Underground. They made a vow their mother will be found. The children grow, learn what's right. Leaders of the freedom fight. They seek their mother, she knows they do. Is it time? It's the only new. Will the prophecy come true? Sonic Underground, Sonic Underground.
I long for my children, but I have to wait. To act too soon could seal their fate.
They made a vow their mother will be found. Sonic Underground.
Sometimes the struggle of a freedom fighter wears on the spirit. But as Sonia would soon learn, relaxing one's guard for even a second leaves room for unscrupulous attack.
Terminator Salon, where our slogan is,
Hasta la vista, baby.
Dubot speaking. Oh dear, now that is an emergency. Will you just get your frizzy little self down here? Well, guess who tried to do her own hair again? Tried it and fried it.
That's so typical. I told her not to trust anybody but you.
Really?
What else did you tell her?
That I think Dr. Robotnik is a ridiculous, conceited buffoon.
You don't say.
Okay, sweetie, that's it. You're done.
Thanks. But I've got to get out of here. Robotnik still knows what we think of him.
Well, we have a plan.
Hey, there it is! Let's get it aboard! We found her, sir, but they removed the tape.
You rebellious hunk of junk! What do you have to say for yourself?
You will remember nothing about the tape you heard or anything that happened today.
We will remember nothing. We will remember nothing.
Sweet.
Odyssey and her husband and wife, they're gonna have the time of their life.
Ski jumping, straight charming, cow tipping, hamsters chasing, cake baking, car washing.
Well, you better remember every step that you take, starting with canisters, chicken cake. It doesn't matter how you choose to toss the dice. Your marriage is the adventure of your life.